Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can purchase Fashionwave items from the store. So this is for the Call of Whales event in Heartopia. If you go to this section here and go to the Fashionwave store, here you can purchase some items. There are some furniture. This one's the daily one, some outfits, some sandals. And then here we have the permanent ones. I really need this insect net, but this is permanent, so this can wait. You can also purchase some Moonlight crystals here for 300 Fashionwave tokens. So you can also, purchase these from your friends when they have them. I'll do another video on how you can do that, but it is similar to the winter one we did last year, like the end of last year. But again, I will show it to you guys just in case you weren't there for the event. So that is how you can, where you can purchase them. I do want to purchase the shirt, so I'm just going to do that right now. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!